guys, new microphone, Amazon Fifine 2 audio connection, AM8 streaming recording microphone. Unbox. User guide. And it comes with this little filter thing. It's nicely packaged. Ooh, that's the base. See? Oh, it's so pretty. Comes with a cable, USB cable. Pretty. Ooh, the metal is very nice. Fifine. Fifine. Made in China. Trying to zoom it. Focus for you guys. Anyway, what microphone do you guys recommend? Looks like that one has the volume adjuster, input, output. Whoa, the little foam piece on it feels so nice. Was actually on mute because it was on red, so what you need to do is tap it lightly so that you can unmute that.